welcome to another vlog. You know, Negril MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, what are them? And I'm in Negril, Jamaica today. Hi. The tree house. Negril, I'm gonna do that tubing thing. Me and Nyla. David run this up. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're on the 7 Miles Beach in Negril. Oh, the lighting though. That scenery though. So we're gonna go on this thing. Oh, this lighting, guys, is so beautiful. This is a really nice thing to try if you're doing water sports. A really nice thing to try. So look a bit dark. Oh, oh, oh. Put it in your pocket. Put it in your pocket. Take it in. So this is what we're doing now. We're waiting on Nyla to come back. She went to the restroom. So she's gonna come back in a few. And so where's the captain?
He's coming in that boat.
Oh. What's your name again? You wanna say hi to my vlog?
Montana.
You wanna come on my vlog? My video.
Huh?
I'm doing a recording.
Okay, no, I don't like video.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, Mr. Montana helped us.
Say hello to my little friend.
He helped us with
I'm the water sports guy, you know? The sales store rep for the water sports.
He's a water sports guy. He helped us with our vests. I think he's gonna strap us in. Let's go. So Nala is ready. Putting on her vest. Want my accent? Want to pick up accent? Nala is ready.
Snap. You ready? It's a picture. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1.
That boat is gonna pull us.
Great big label.
We're supposed to come?
Go ahead, go ahead. Lilu. Now look what Melica. Lilu. What then should I do? I beg one I captain.
Right now I'm at, as I told you, tree house club in Negril. It's $5 to come in. We did the tubing something my dad telling about. So it's like $35 to go on for one person. Very, very good experience. Also, yesterday I did ATV riding. You guys saw that I did rafting. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscription button. I really appreciate it. I really had a good time. Couldn't record everything, but I did what I could. Guys, the news that I didn't tell you before is I now own a travel company. It's called True Life Tours Jamaica. You can click the link in the description box below to see our Instagram page. We provide the real Jamaican experience to tourists who visit here. And yeah, you can check me up on Instagram. I'm going to the bag of things. The website will be coming soon, so I'm pretty excited about that. I'm going to talk more about it in depth in another video. But yeah, let me know. in the building.
Hot mess.
We're about to get ice cream and then close off for night. It's nighttime now. We've been on the road from morning and the seawater beat me out. What do you say? So I'm kind of tired. Oh, hopefully they have more flavors around here. So they go a Fontana first and then they flavor them. They have limited flavor. So we are going St. James Pharmacy. Hopefully they have more variety and stuff. So I'm gonna go inside now. So I'll see you guys. I think this is the end of the vlog, really and truly.
Oh my god. It's alive.
Let